She said it was a black card, sir. That means it's a club or a spade. Which one was it? It was a spade? Was it a picture spade or a number spade? Tell me. Hey, what was it, Donovan? A picture or a number? It was a number spade. Was it an odd number or an even number? Even numbered spade. Was it above 5 or below 5? It was above 5. It was an even numbered spade. So that means it was either the 6 of spades, the 8 of spades, or the 10 of spades. You tell me, what card did you put upside down in the deck?
The 8.
Did you guys hear what she said? She said it was the 10 of spades. Say it again.
The 10 of spades.
No. Don't put it on me look good. What did you originally say?
8.
The 8 of spades. Ladies and gentlemen, watch me close. Make sure, now I'm gonna open up this deck. There's gonna be one card face down. If the card face down just happens to be the 8 of spades, that means this young lady has created a miracle for you all. I expect you all to jump in your seats and give her the standing ovation that she deserves. What do you think? However, if it's not the 8 of spades, what do you say we all turn into an angry mob and tickle her till she wets her pants? No. I hope it's the 8 of spades. Are you ready? Watch me close. There should be one card face down in here. I'm going to give you the box. I'm going to spread through the cards. There should be one card face down in here. One card. Can you guys see it? One card face down. If she gets it right, standing ovation. The 8 of spades. Give it up, ladies and